Welcome to my channel, good people. Today, I will examine a recent proposal by the US government to introduce the digital dollar. According to the chairman, POWELL, he said it is, and I quote, very high priority project for us, end quote. So many questions comes to mind, like what format is it going to be? Is it going to be secured using the blockchain technology? And then who benefits? Etc. Stay tuned. Time to grab a copper and then subscribe. So what format is it likely to be? I mean the digital dollar. Well, according to a report, the central bank digital currency known as CBDC might be a digital version of the central bank's paper currency. Okay, I think you'd like to know how it's meant to work or function. Stay with me. You see, instead of keeping paper currency in a physical wallet in your pocket, users keep digital currency in some sort of central bank managed digital wallet. Underline that, which could be a smartphone or even a flash drive. And to inform you, regulation to guide the digital currency was put in place sometimes in October in a joint report by central banks of US, Canada, European Union, Japan, Sweden, Switzerland, and UK. The joint report said that the central bank digital currency would coexist with cash and other types of money, should promote border innovation and efficiency, and should not harm monetary and financial stability. Okay, I think you are now getting the picture of how the proposed digital dollar would function. And you get the gist of why POWELL cautioned and said that a CBDC wouldn't replace physical cash, but instead would be an additional option. That were additional option there for consumers to use and will complement the existing payment system. That said, well, from the look of things, I think you and I will agree with me that the digital dollar may not be secured through the blockchain technology. So if this is the case, then it is not decentralized. Hence, it will be controlled by a central government. Okay, by the way, check my video titled Bitcoin, Cryptocurrency and Blockchain Simplified. You will get to know how blockchain technology works. Okay, back to the topic. You see, in my opinion, the digital dollar without the blockchain technology can be equated or considered as credit card or online banking attached or embedded in the fiat money, I mean the dollar. Whereas cryptocurrency, I mean the likes of Bitcoin, digital asset that is not pegged to any denomination. Meanwhile, with the digital dollar, where users keep digital currency in some sort of central bank managed digital wallet. What do you think is the implication of this? Okay, let me tell you. You see, the digital dollar, in a way, is designed to generate an unprecedented amount of data. I mean, people's data. Question is, what happens to users' privacy? How is it going to be protected? In my opinion, the proposed digital dollar is not as secured as the cryptocurrency and will still be controlled by the central bank. And again, it is very similar to China digital RMB. Though China digital RMB is secure in blockchain technology, well, to inform you, it is distributed by China central bank to second-tier providers. And these second tiers are the likes of the state-owned banks and online payment providers such as Alipay and WeChat Pay rather. Meaning, the China government is in control and can deny its citizens access to their money. They can even confiscate it. Well, I highly recommend you watch my video titled China Digital RMB Currency Weaponized to Become Global Money. You'll get to know more about how China digital currency works, and you'll see the clip at the end of this video. Just to inform you, I mean to stress this point. The Chinese central bank and government with the digital RMB would have access to fine-grained transaction details. They will be able to see all of the payment that people are making and collect information about all of those payments. They are in a way in control of the blockchain ledger. And then there are still some unanswered questions about central bank digital currency. I mean the digital dollar. Question is, how will it work in the United States? Will it just be used by banks for settlement purposes, or could it be used in the retail space? Again, will it use blockchain technology? Big question. Like Bitcoin? Will I be able to store it on my phone? And again, another good question. Is it going to be tradable? What is your opinion? Please write a comment below. Okay, I will keep you posted as the event unfolds, so stay tuned. Okay, here comes the best part. Remember, our target is 500 subscribers, and thanks a million to those who have subscribed. The goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.